We're pivoting ourselves, getting more involved in food and beverage, experiential and entertainment type uses.
I'm here with Stephen Yalof, President and CEO of Tanger Factory Outlet Centers. So Tanger recently raised its 2022 earnings guidance and increased the dividend for the second time this year. What's behind those moves?
It's execution to our strategy, which is to continue to accelerate our leasing and going after new tenants that are not typical tenants in our platform. More luxury tenants, digitally native brands. We've reshaped our operations by basically decentralizing our operations team and giving each of our individual management teams at each of our shopping centers the opportunity to run their center. And lastly, we've leaned far more heavily into digital marketing, where we were usually 80% broadcast marketing and 20% performance-based marketing. We're now going with 80% performance-based and 20% broadcast marketing.
And what are some of Tanger's key strategic priorities as you look ahead to next year?
Well, we're leaning heavily into the Nashville market. We're under construction currently with an anticipated opening date of September of 23. Our leasing is well underway in construction as well. And we just took over the leasing and management of the Palm Beach Outlet Center, which we've rebranded Tanger Outlets Palm Beach, which I think will give us a great leg up in a market that is doing extremely well for all brands of retail, but outlet retail in particular.
And how would you describe supply levels for outlet centers in the US? And how is Tanger shaping its development pipeline at this point?
Well, there's a number of outlet centers that are currently independently owned, which we think are quite interesting. But there's also a number of other shopping centers out there that are outlet center adjacent that we think are kind of interesting for our brand of retail. And we're pivoting ourselves, getting more involved in food and beverage, experiential and entertainment type uses. And we're layering them into our existing footprint, but also looking for new product that will bring that component part so we can bring our brand of retail to those shopping centers as well.